this is us driving back, and as you can see, Colorado Springs mountains are far away.
Now that's the what do you call it? That's Black Forest up to the north of us.
Where? North?
Yeah, you see those that ridge up there to the left. That's Black Forest.
So peaceful
And the mountains.
out here.
If you look straight over that way, you'll see the mountains. Let me roll the window down.
Yeah.
See the mountains there? They're way at the horizon.
And then here, well, I'm going to just open the window for a minute, girls. This is just what it looks like out here. This is called Freeway Drive.
Okay, we're back on Hot Falcon Highway, and we'll turn left. That'll take us back home.
Can you close the windows now?
Yeah.
I will.
Can you close
Okay, closing now.
it? It's freezing back here.
Yeah.
I thought that place looked really like an old barn.
Yeah.
And there, this is the old farm up here that looks like deserted. I want to get the picture of that one.
If you notice, this is mostly grass out here, which means that they're grazing animals, cows, goats, sheep.